শ্রীযুত পদকমলং শ্রী বৈষ্ণবাংশ্চ শ্রীরূপং সাগ্রজাতং সহগণ রঘুনাথমিতং তং সজীবং সাদ্বৈতং সাবধূতং পরিজনসহিতং কৃষ্ণ চৈতন্যদেবং শ্রী রাধা কৃষ্ণ পাদং সহগণ ললিতা বিশাখাতমিশ্চ ভজ শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য প্রভু নিত্যানন্দ শ্রী অদ্বৈত গদাধর শিবাসাদি গৌর ভক্ত বৃন্দ হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে হরে। All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Sri Guru Parampara. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to assembled devotees. All glories to Shayan Ekadashi Tithi. All glories to Mukti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj's appearance day. Hare Krishna. All glories, all glories, all glories. Today, let me check what questions appear. By the question by devotees from Mirpoa, France. All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga, all glories to Nama Sankirtan. Dear Maharaj, since 3 months, now there is a lockdown due to the COVID-19 pandemic in India. And it seems that it will continue for quite some more. Certainly, all the Gopinath Gaudiya Math branches must be facing a difficult challenge to pay the different bills and maintenance cost. How have you been able to manage until now? What is the most practical and effective that way we can help? This is not question for one. Anyway, so very nice questions. Thank you for your sympathy. Thank you for your generosity for the service of our Indian devotees. Yeah, so still I am just thinking to follow the footsteps of Srivas Pandit. You know, one Srivas Pandit told by Lord Chaitanya that you are not doing anything, how you are able to manage your expenses. That time Srivas Pandit clapped 3 times. Then Mahaprabhu replied, I don't understand what you are doing. Then Srivas Pandit replied such a manner, I will look first day, I look second day, and the third day. If you are not, no one helping, we know Lord is always protecting us, maintaining us. If we look, Lord is not maintaining us, protecting us, better to jump in the Ganga river and commit suicide. So still I am following in that way and managing everything. Of course, there is no such type of opulence manner running the temple. But anyway, it is running. At least we are surviving. And what is the most practical and effective that way we can help? Just pray to Lord. Pray to Lord to save all of us in every aspect and give us strength to survive in this pandemic situation. I hope you understand my points. So whoever Lord inspired, but whoever inspired by Lord, they will do something. We are not working, we are not collecting money because it's not possible to go out and collect money, beg, everything just depending on the mercy of Lord. Someone feeling inspiration, they are giving something. Everybody is suffering here. We cannot request everyone. But anyway, still it's managing, somehow or other managing. This is, I don't know who else, Lakshmi. Look, should I? Let me check. Damodar. No, Damodar. Who else? Australia. Not coming, no any. So also I don't know. Looks like no more questions. So anyway, so I'm really happy to see the generosity of French devotee, Mirpur devotee. So that कल कहाँ तक किया था पता नहीं. हाँ 32 ना चतुर्दश परिच्छेद दानघाटी से भया One 74. There is explanation Ujjwal Nirmali गर्भाभिलाष रुदित्वा स्मिता सुवाभयक्रुधम् शङ्करीकरणं हर्षदुच्यते किल किञ्चितम्. हर्ष means हर्ष हेतु तस्मात्. Harsha means hesu tasma, means garbhabhilash rudit smita, garbadinanang saptanang bhavanang. Here, Shankaranang means Mishranam Jug. Actually, Garbha Vilasa Ruditta Smita Suyabhayo Krudham. This is Harshat means blissful. There is a reason to become blissful. Abhilasha Garbha Dinang Saptanang Bhavanang. According to to the mood, which happening accordingly. Means Radharani, whatever she is thinking about Krishna, Krishna accordingly perform it. Sankarikam harshaducchati kilakinchitam. So Sankaram Mishranam. This Mishranam means the mixing two. Harsha, Vishal. Harsha, why? There is Krishna is manifesting according to the desire of Radharani's, all the pastimes. And then after that he will stop it. In that way. Such type of mood when there is mixing such type of things. Kilokinchitam. After that, Garbhadi Santa Bhaver Uhate Jugapat Milan Phale Ukto Mahabhaver Udaya. Mahabhav, great mood. Garbhadi, Garbho, pride. Arashada Bhav Asi Sahaja Milay. Ashtavasam Milane Mahabhav. Sadbhav, 7 type of mood. 175. Not explaining that. Mulkaran horses সহিত গর্বাদি 7টি ভাব মিলিত হইয়া অষ্টভাবের সম্মিলনের কিলকিঞ্চিত মহাভাব হয়। কিলকিঞ্চিত অষ্ট 7 মূলকরণ হর্ষ মানে প্লেজার and 7 extensional mood, like Garbhadi, Garbho, one's pride, all this, whatever this 7 Mahabhav, 7 Bhav is there. Sattik Bhav, Sankha, Tras, Abeg, Unmad, Apsama, whatever I explained yesterday. That's all the 7 Bhav when they're together. Together when they are, then it's a Mahabhav, great Mahabhav mood appear. Garbho, Abhilas, Bhoy, Shushko, Rudito, Krodh, Ashua, Hoy are Mandasmita. Garbho means pride, Abhilas means desire, Bhoy means fear. Shushma, Rudito. Shushma means dry. Dry. Rudito means dryness. Dryness. Krodh, anger. Ashua means we can say Ashua is such type of nature, like we can say not happy. Such type of all the together mandasmita, or mandasmita means manda, bad, feeling bad inside. Nana sadhu ashtabhava ekatra milan jaha rashada tripta hoy Krishna mon. Krishna become happy to see such type of the pride, abhilas, desire, bhoy, fear. Who's that mood? Radharani's mood. Ashua, Krodh, anger, Ashua, or mandasmita, feeling bad. Krishna is bad, right? Nana sadhu ashtabhava, such type of tasty mood. Tasty means T-A-S-T, taste. Swad means taste. That the variety is such 8 type of bhav when they become together. which Krishna's mind becomes so happy. Therefore they say, Jahar Ashade Tripta Hoy Krishna Mon. Krishna's mind become tripta, means satisfied. Just to see the Radharani such type of mood. You have to know, always you have to know that we are trying to get the taste of Vipralambha. Vipralambha Rashadam. Mahaprabhu came here in the material world. Who is Mahaprabhu? Supreme Lord Krishna himself. Who is Krishna? The Vrindavan Krishna. That Krishna here and in the form of that Krishna, means Vrindavan Krishna here in the material world in the form of Lord Chaitanya. Goal to get the taste of Vipralambha. This is one part of Vipralambha. Kuttamito, Kilokinchito with the mood. Inside looks like not matching, not actually satisfactory behavior. But Krishna become happy. Krishna's moon. When Krishna see that, I explained several times. I explained. Once Krishna intentionally came and reached late in the Radharani's grove. At that time, Radharani took the 3 vows. She don't want to see Krishna anymore, look Krishna anymore. She don't want to touch Krishna anymore. She don't want to speak with Krishna anymore. Just 3. Not looking, not speaking, not touching. 3 promise she made. And with her upper garment, she covered her head, and she keeping her head in between 2 knees and bent each bodies, bend her body, and crying. Krishna came late. Lalita Vishakha, they convey the message. This is the 3 vow Radharani took because of you so late, so we are suffering now. Krishna always fulfilling the desire of his devotees. So what happened? Just Krishna hearing everything and smiling. In a smiling form, she entered into the Radharani's grove, and she looked that Radharani is present. Man means sulky mood. And then Krishna circumambulance. He circumambulance Radharani and glorifying Chandravali. Constantly, not only one, constantly glorifying Chandravali. How Chandravali greet him, how Chandravali fulfill his desire, everything he is explaining. And circumambulance of Radharani's. After some time, Radharani just opened her upper garment and grabbed Krishna's hand, pulled Krishna out of her grove, telling the 3 promise, what he promised. She don't like to look Krishna anymore. She don't want to touch Krishna anymore. She don't want to speak with Krishna anymore. 3. Then all the Sakhi, Lalita, Visakha, they are just telling, just explaining Radharani, hey, you promise it before, but you break it. We saw. You touch Krishna, speak with Krishna, and look Krishna. 3 things you did. So, Krishna still smiling, never arguing. Then all the Sakhis, they together, they say, we will break. So now let us enjoy. We sit together and let us serve both of you. That is our main purpose. To keep our divine couple, Radha Krishna, always together. That is our main practice, goal of practice. Therefore, Hare Krishna Mahamantra also like this. Not separately Krishna and Radha. It's together. Even my grand spiritual master also, a few days before of his physical departure, he said, unitedly under the shelter of Radharani, unitedly. Actually, this Vaishnava culture like that, Bhakti culture like that, unitedly, not like a separately, not like a sectarian nature, not like that. Magnanimous. That nature we have to establish in our consciousness. Then we can accommodate so many souls together and perform the service. That is the main goal of Vaishnava practice. Vaishnava practice like that. They never reject, they never cheat people, they never they never cheat people, they always try to make people understand our main purpose to be here in this material world with this human form. Main purpose, fixing our mind to see Radha Krishna together. Again I am telling you, fixing our mind to see Radha Krishna together. Therefore you can see the Hare Krishna Mahamantra we are chanting. What is the main purpose? To see Radha Krishna together. Whenever we are chanting this Gopal Mantra, Kama Gayatri, they are also Radha Krishna and they are associated together. Therefore, Govindayo, Gopi Jana, I don't like to say entire mantra, but Vallabhaya, all the gopis together. That is our goal, to see Radha Krishna with all gopis. Our ultimate goal to establish the Gopi Bhav. Gopi Bhav means the mood of gopis. They always want to see the Radha Krishna together. Therefore our previous teachers, they say, Brajo Gopi Bhav Hoive Sabha. What is the mood of Braja Gopis? That we will establish in our nature. Daily life, nature, culture, we have to establish that. Therefore we have to chant and think about the pastimes. Dodi khanda ghrita madhu morich karpur elachi milane joiche rasala madhur. Dodi means yogurt, khanda means sikhand. Sikhand means actually stain the all water, right? From the yogurt. Ghrito means to actually clarify water. Ghee. Madhu means honey. Morich means black pepper. Korpur means camphor. Elachi means cardamom. All mixing together. Rasala Madhu. Rasala means very tasty. What do you mean? This, this always sweet you cannot eat. We need some fire. We should not sour. So it's different type of sweet also. Honey sweet. Karpur, camphor, elachi. The meaning is this different type of mood. We are always thinking love means always sweet, right? Always should be happy, happy, happy. Always should be amicable, happy mood. This Lord created this universe with this system, day and night. Night time is dark, daytime is light. Always light, then we don't know the value of dark. Always dark, we don't know the value of light. So similarly, Lord also create happiness and distress, honor and dishonor. Honor and dishonor. Criticism, praising, always there. Why? Because the Lord wants to see we should be beyond of this condition. Beyond of the condition. Happiness not disturbing us. When happiness comes, same mood. Like an ocean. Ocean, you can see heavy rain, no rain, ocean water level always same. Therefore, Avadut, one person from Jadava dynasty, he accepted 24 guru, the one of them ocean. Then someone asked him, why you think ocean is a guru? Under any circumstance, ocean never puffed up and never lament. Means, heavy rain, ocean water always same. No rain, ocean always same. Therefore, ocean he accepts ocean. It means no puffed upness. Sometimes our nature, whenever people are appreciating us, promoting us, we feel puffed up. We feel always that we feel some ego, pride. But whenever no one appreciating us, rejecting us, everyone rejecting us, we feel distress. That is nature. But devotional nature supposed to be like this. We have to be ready, we have to be beyond of that, all material nature. Material nature is our nature. We can see someone promoting us, glorifying us, we are smiling, we can see them with a smiling face. Someone rejecting us, criticizing us, we are always showing them our anger mood, argument mood, such type of. So Avadut accept that ocean is his guru because it's the nature of ocean. Krishna's nature also. Look, Krishna never feel disturbed. Never ever feel disturbed, always smiling face. See, no, he knows what is going to happen. And Radha also manifests such type of pastime because Radha also knew the heart of Krishna, what's he like. Therefore, previous text says, Nana Shadu Ashtabhava Ekatra Milan. All the 8 type of mood become together. Jaha Ashade Tipta Hoy Krishna Mon. And that 8 type of mood, whenever Krishna tastes it, that Krishna's mind becomes so happy. Therefore, just to make us understand, in order to make ourselves understand, therefore, here is explanation like this. Dodi khando grito madhu mori chokorpur. You can see this weird. No weird. Actually, the different type of taste, different type of taste is needed to make ourselves happy. If I give you only sweet rice, you cannot eat sweet rice always. You need some sour. You need some fire. You need some punchy things. Punchy is not saying. So similarly, in order to make ourselves understand, therefore, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained, Dodhi we know this is Savari. Khando, Sri Khando, this stain the water. Then actually Jagut is there, the Dahi is there, tight Dahi. Grito mixing with clarified water. Madhu, honey is there, sweet, make it sweet. Morich is fire, black pepper. Korpur, there is some fragrance. And then Elachi, also nice fragrance. Elachi, I like Elachi fragrance. Rashala, Madhur, all this. This is Rashala, this. Behavior when like this, sometimes angry, sometimes Vipralamba was like that. Vipralamba means distress with happiness. এই ভাব যুক্ত দেখি রাধা শনয়ন সঙ্গম হইতে সুখ পায় কোটি গুণ. When Krishna see such type of mood of Srimati Radharani become extremely happy. Kotishu. Sangam hoite paye koti gun. Sangam hoite sukh paye koti gun. Sukh paye, koti sukh means happiness, koti means millions, 10 millions. That is Krishna's. And our nature also, you can see. English, our Bengali word is Biroho Milan. Like swing festival. I think after a few weeks we are going to arrange the swing festival. The swing festival is the meaning of the swing is this: separation, union. When swing goes far, separation, and coming near to us, union. That my spiritual master used to say like this. Dola means swing, and then that is the dola. Union and separation dola. Separation, union, separation, union, separation, union. So this is a different type of bhav. He explained this is Dan ke liye komodi slok. Anta, so small letter. Antas nirato jala jalakarna vakirna pakshankura kinchito patulin tancha roshika tatsikta purakunchito hridaya pathimadhevana madhavena madhuro bhavugno torottaram radhaya kilakinchito tastavakini drishti priya priya va kriyat priya na drishti sriyang va kriyat not priya drishti sriyang va kriyat. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says in this regard, Radhikar garbadi sapta bhava milito harsha janito kilokinchito. Harsha janito means harsha, pleasure. That kilokinchito bhavattito drishti tomader mongol vidhan karun. So Radhikar Garbadi Saptava, that Saptava, 7 bhav, we have already explained that Garbo, Abhilas, Bhoy means pride, desire, fear, dryness, anger. Asua means actually unhappiness, mandasmito, feeling bad. It is 7 type of bhav. Milito, harshajanito kilakinto, and harshajanito. This is kilakin. Harshajanito means pleasure, and there is distress, happiness and distress mixing together. Kilakinto bhavattito drishti tomader mongol vidhan karun. Radharani is such type of mood. Sometime happiness, different type of mixing happiness, or different type of distressful happiness. It's very interesting word. Vipralma means like that. So, tomader mongol, make your life auspicious to think about it. Why? Because all the gopis mood like that. They are always trying to help Srimati Radharani. Radharani also trying to act accordingly what Krishna's mind wants. Radharani knew Krishna's mind, so accordingly she is acting. It's not like that. We can see. I can give an example. Haridas Thakur. Even most of the Guru Varga says, we have to always feel, whenever we are in distressful situation, to feel. Krishna becomes so happy to see me in this condition. Therefore, we have to be happy. Again, I am telling you, Krishna becomes happy to see in this distressful situation. Therefore, we have to be happy even we are in distressful condition or situation. Haridas Thakur, when he told by Mulukpati means as is Muslim ruler, that if you are continuing Hindu's name, then I will give you heavy punishment. And if you stop and follow Muslim faith, then I will give you comfortable atmosphere, no punishment. Then, in order to make ourselves understand the value of chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Sometimes we are feeling, we are chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, but why? Why we are always in distressful situation? Because when I feel distress and bad, when I feel distress, I feel bad, because we are materially, like we are actually condition of the material world. Condition of material world like this, nature like this. Material world, nature like this. But spiritual, when you become more advanced spiritual, even the distressful make us happy. It's very difficult to understand. I saw many devotees there complaining, Maharaj, before I had better life. But after taking shelter of devotional practice, we face lot of trouble from family, from relatives, from neighbor, so much trouble. So why it is it? Why is it? Because we are trying to get out from material condition. But material world trying to pull and keep us under her control. Now we have to keep our strength to get out from the material nature. That is our main goal of spiritual practice. Not to go through the material nature. Therefore, Chaitanya Charitamrita says, Tomar Shevaya Dukkha Yata Sevota Paramasu. In your service, how many distressful situations I am facing, that much happiness I am getting. It's very difficult to understand. How many distressful situations I am facing during my chanting or during a service. Tamar sevaya dukkha vajato. Sheuto paramsu. That is my happiness. Haridas Thakur, when Mulukpati says, and then Haridas Thakur replied, Khanda khanda hoye jadi dehe na thake, mane, if you just punish me to cut my body piece by piece, chop my body piece by piece, still I will not leave this Harinam, chanting Harinam from my lips. Why? Because Haridas Thakur is teaching us. He is a teacher, Acharya, Namacharya. How many problems we will face? In that problem, what is supposed to decide? Not to leave chanting, rather to give sound faith on chanting and continue it. The Mulukpati, what he arranged, look, Mulukpati arranged several messengers to beat him in different marketplace with this, iron chain. Huge. Usually, if we beat, people are dying. But after several hours, different marketplace, this is 22 market, Bais Bazaar. I saw in Bangladesh Bais Bazaar, where Haridas Thakur was beaten by. That Bais Bazaar, that place is there till. So I saw that. Then after that, such a punish, Haridas Thakur never feel anything. Why? The Lord, because his devotee, Lord getting all the punishment. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's back was scar mark, so many scar mark. Even you can see one incident happened. Narottam Thakur, Ramchandra Kaviraj and Srinivas Acharya. Ramchandra Kaviraj, once he became late, because he came late from his home. Therefore, Srinivas Acharya faced a little bit trouble. Narottam Thakur was there. Narottam Thakur became angry on Krishnadas, Ramchandra Kaviraj. And Narottam Thakur, this is his first time, Lila, Don't say why he did so. He is a great exalted personality. Why he did so? Because he took a broom. Broom means not like a western broom. It is coconut leaves, it's a stick part, coconut stick, lipstick. We Indian, we are making brooms in that manner. That broom, in village area, we are making broom like this way. That broom, he took in his hand and he whipped on the back of Ramchandra Kaviraj. Very rude manner, very harmful manner, he is giving punishment. Ramchandra Kaviraj never complained anything. He just devote his mood like that. Whatever punishment come, when Guru Vaishnava giving us punishment, that is beneficial for us. So he accept everything. But he never felt any distress. Ramchandra Kaviraj then went to serve Srinivasa Acharya, his Gurudev. Then Narottam Thakur saw all the scar mark with the whip, with the broom, the backside of Srinivasa Acharya. Guru accept everything because dearest disciples. Therefore, if we make mistake, if we really dear to Guru, Guru accept us, all the bad things. If you really regretting for our mistake, because Ramchandra Kaviraj is late, extremely late because of some family obligation, therefore he felt he made mistake and he regretting for that. And Vaishnava like Narottam Thakur, he punishing him. You need to teach us, this is what is that. And then Srinivasa Acharya's back was all scar marked. Similarly, Haridas Thakur beat it. But Mahaprabhus took everything. Therefore, Haridas Thakur never felt any kind of distress. Rather, he was full of energetic. When they are beating Haridas Thakur, he was like a Krishna, Krishna, Krishna in this eye. So here also similarly, there is Radharani. So looks Radharani, whatever she felt distressful. And Radharani felt harsha, pleasure. Both. This is ভাবোত্থিত দৃষ্টি তোমাদের মঙ্গল বিধান করু হর্ষজনিত সপ্তভাব মিলিত হর্ষজনিত কিলকিঞ্চিত this is harsha vishal both that mood the vision of the mood তোমাদের দৃষ্টি মানে vision তোমাদের মঙ্গল বিধান করু that vision when come to us then we can enjoy the taste enjoy the mood which is very auspicious mood. Why auspicious? Because always keeping Lord in our mind. Sometimes you can see devotee are blaming Krishna. Oh Krishna, why are you know, even this you can see Kamsa. He was always thinking about Lord Krishna, but he always anger mood. Hiranyakashipu always thinking about Vishnu, always anger mood, revenge mood. Shishupal, Dantamakra also same thing. Always. So harsha vishad jo harshajanita kilokinchita bhavattita drishti tomader mongol, which is anyhow if we just think about Lord, that will always auspicious. Anyhow if we just do it. always auspicious. Therefore, Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained that, meaning in the sloka, that always drishti tomader mongol vidhan karun. Mongol means auspicious. Vidhan means make your life full of auspicious. How? Just to think about Radharani's harsha nikilokinchita mood. Sapta bhava, second mood. The Dan Ghati Pathe se Krishna Asiya Tahar Gotirod Korile Radhar Antakarane Hashir Uday Hoilo. Dan Ghati, I know the Dan Ghati, there is there is a place, Dan Ghat. I think all of you know that near Mansarovar, Mansiganga, there is a place, Dan Ghati. So Krishna stopped Radharani, then Radharani inside, Antakarane Hashi Udayola. Inside, she was laughing. Why? Because she knows Krishna without her, without Radha. She knows that without me, Krishna unable to say, just Krishna manifests pastimes. Ar tokhon tahar nayan ujjal hoilo. That time when Krishna stopped Radha, go. Then Radha's nayan means eyes, ujjal means bright. Netro, पंखागुली मतलब नवद्दतो अश्रुजले पूर्ण हईल. अच्छा, language very ornamental language. Netro pakhaguli means eyes, eyes has two actually blinking, not blinking means open and mind. Netro, this petal, eyelid. Eyeless, no, petal. Eyelid, yeah, eyelid. Pakshaguli, navaddato, means just open with new spores. And Oshujale, navaddato Oshujale, and tear comes. Full of tear. And then Apango duiti ishot raktavarna hoil. Rachoshas hetu chakshute utsaudito hoil. Apanga means like Apango. I think it's very difficult to say. Anyway, that this cheek, because the cheek, cheek become raktavarna, means blood color, red color. Ishot means slightest red color. Rasochas hetu, rasochas means Raso dance will take place. That feeling, chakshute utsaudito. One is nayanas, one is tear, another one utsaha means enthusiasm. Because of this, raso dance will take place very soon. Nayanasru means tear. Shalpo nimilito huite lagilo. Means tear. Nimilito means not fully open, not fully closed. What is this? I don't know. English? And halfway open. এবং অতি সুন্দরভাবে নয়নতারা দুটি ঊর্ধ্বগতি লাভ করিল. And Nayantara means the eyeball. it goes up. That is the special mood to make Krishna become happy. It's a light not there. Baspo bekuli tarunnan chanchala chalanetrang rasallasitam hillolasho chaladharam kutilito bhujugumo mamudatsmitam Radhaya kilakinchitanchitamoso Bhikshanam Sangama Danandam Tastamabapam Kotigunitam Jo Bhunnu Girigacharo Siradhara Bhava Savane রাধার নেত্র বাষ্প দ্বারা আকুলিত তরুণ বর্ণ চঞ্চল অঞ্চল চঞ্চল হইল রাসোল্লাস কন্দর্প ভাব হেতু অধর কম্পিত হইল ভ্রু যুগল কুটিল হইল মুখপদ্মে ঈষৎ উপস্থিত হইল ঈষৎ কি ঈষৎ হাস্য উপস্থিত হইল এবং কিলকিঞ্চিত তা ভাবজনিত সুখ ব্যক্ত হইতেছে দেখিয়া শ্রীকৃষ্ণ রাধারানীর মুখদর্শনে তাহার সেই সঙ্গম অপেক্ষা কোটি গুণ যে সুখ লাভ করিলেন তাহা বাক্যে বর্ণন করা যায় না। It's very difficult to explain in English, but in that way you can say Radharani's eyes. But Radharani's eyes such a way, situated like not closed completely, not open, not open properly, just like a proper shape. Akulito, and feeling that she has extreme, she feel desire to be with Krishna. But Krishna's acting like a Krishna stop Radha. You know this, I have seen that. Woman nature, if you just, whatever they want, you just ignore that, they are feeling more aggressive to get it. I don't know it is fact, it is real or not, but how many times, how many women I met, they are like that. Am I right? Huh? So anyway, you know what I want to say. So Krishna stop it, but Radharani want it. Therefore, Bashpadara akulito means eagerness to meet with akulito. Orun Varano, reddish color. Radharani Takta Kanchana. Orun means Orun means before sunrise sky which color? There is a Orun color. Chanchal hoila, become naughty. Rasollasa kandarpa bhava hetu adhar kampito hoila. So adhar means to cheek become. Kampan means seki. Bhujugal, eyelash, eyebrow, Bhujugal kutil hoilo. Just like like this. Crown, brown. And মুখপদ্মে ঈষৎ উপস্থিত, ঈষৎ হাস্যপদ, ঈশ্বর এখানে শব্দ হবে। মুখপদ্মে in face, ঈশ্বর means slightest manner, sadness appear. কিলকিঞ্চিত ভাবজনিত সে সুখ ব্যক্ত হইতেছে। Also, actually it is one type of happiness. Sri Krishna, Radhikar, Mukhadarshana, such type of mood to see with Srimati Radharani, to see Sri Krishna become extremely happy. Sukha Kurile. It is such happy, Lord Krishna felt. It is impossible to express in any word. Bakke Bornon Kora Jayana. Bakka means sentence, was word. It is impossible to explain by word. Such type of happiness. Anyway, this is actually, this sloka Govinda Lilamrita sloka. Translate the sloka translated by Bhaktivinoda Thakur, and that I am reading. And it is very difficult to publicly translate. Sangam means actually there is a conjugal relation. So that happiness, actually better than actually, such type of mood, Krishna feel happy better than that conjugal relation. Can say. Anyway, eto shuni Prabhu hoila anandita mon sukhavishta hoiya sarupe koila lingan. All this fact, Sarup Damodar explaining to Lord Chaitanya. Therefore, when Mahaprabhu hear from all these pastimes, Radharani is in the mood, and because Mahaprabhu himself, Krishna, but in the mood and form of Radharani. So Radharani become extremely happy, and then he embraced Sarup Damodar. Then we can talk tomorrow. Hare Krishna. It is very difficult, and after that, after finishing this chapter, I'm thinking to give class on the base of Harinam Chintavani, because most important past Harinam Chintavani.